Is it possible for a human being to have the memory of an elephant? I don't think so. Well, but there is a reason why elephants have such a good memory, and this reason is within the reach of human beings too. Stay with me for a few minutes, and I guarantee you'll be one step closer to having a real chance of solving your memory loss or that of your loved one. Hi guys, my name is Bill. Welcome to this video where I'll give you some valuable information about one of the best methods for improving brain health, which I acquired some time ago and can now testify to spreading this valuable information. There is a supplement made from ancient Asian herbal extracts that can bring back your brain and cognitive functions, especially memory. Functions, especially memory. These herbs are part of the elephant's daily diet, and this is one of the big reasons why elephants have excellent memory throughout their active lives and forget absolutely nothing. By eliminating all the harmful plaques formed in the brain. Using this potent ancient herbal supplement, you simply rebuild damaged dendrites and eliminate brain shrinkage by activating the neurotransmitters in your brain that are responsible for restoring damaged dendrites. Clinical studies have shown that chronic memory loss is not related to genetics, age, or lifestyle, but to a little-known chemical that your brain is unable to produce in the right quantities to combat the damage to the dendrites that erode your memories. When the dendrites are damaged and begin to shrink, that's when memory loss and cognitive decline begin to occur. The manufacturer seems to be someone with a huge heart who has dedicated his life to helping people heal from brain diseases. When I made my purchase, I even got a couple of books as a gift. I did the math and paid just $0.81 per tablet of this natural supplement. That's much cheaper than buying ineffective supplements. I'll leave below in the description of the video the official website of the manufacturer of this supplement so that you can see directly from the manufacturer all the information you need to guarantee your purchase with a 180-day return guarantee and with free shipping throughout the USA. In other words, there is absolutely no risk. How did this breakthrough happen? It's all thanks to a former NASA scientist specializing in brain health who has helped thousands of patients around the world and developed the secret formula of an ancient Asian herb that targets the root cause of memory loss and activates a powerful and little-known mechanism in your brain, with healing properties that have allowed people to reactivate their dying brain branches, activating neurotransmitters and protecting it from the toxins that cause memory loss and cognitive decline. We know that shady figures behind the scenes in business and politics have been striving to keep this ancient herbal method hidden for as long as possible, in order to protect the profits of the pharmaceutical sector. There is pressure from the pharmaceutical industry on the producer of this supplement, so it is not known how long this product will be available for sale, as it has proven to be one of the most effective methods for memory loss on the planet. I also won't mention in this video much more than I can. I'm just giving my testimony as a customer in order to help more people around the world. And that's also why I've left the official product website in the video description. So if you're looking for solutions for memory loss, and there's no risk in buying direct from the official website, consider giving a try as soon as you can to this method that is really active and effective in the lives of thousands of people, and also share this good news so that more people can be helped. Thank you for following my testimonial. If you like the content of this video, like it and subscribe to the channel so that I can continue to share more valuable health information. See you next time.